But when I was, when I got sent away, one of the times I got sent away, I had done something, and I was really afraid for my life. And I went many years of my life thinking I was really sick. I thought I had AIDS. And
Next, money, and I did just in case I get stopped by the police. And we'll check back in. Yes, sir. Let's cut that out. Yeah, well, you know, I used to get down. But now I'm going to do crime in honor of the first shot. When you roll up, you can take that out. We can't take it in the morning. Oh, we can't take it out? You can take it out. So, we can't get it out. So that big guy, when you come back, the big guy, that's the accomplice.
Okay. Talk to the big guy?
Yeah, talk to the big guy. Talk to the big guy. You'll see the big guy. Yeah, pretty obvious. I'm going to show you.
guess my parents, growing up, we were what they considered bagel and lox Jews, which means like we didn't really go to shul much, but on Sundays we had bagels. But when I got sent away, one of the times I got sent away, I had done something, and I was really afraid for my life. And I went many years of my life thinking I was really sick. I thought I had AIDS. And I would make deals with God on my own. And in praying to God for my life, I developed a sense of spirituality. And I snuck out of, I went AWOL in my program that I was in, and I met up with a rabbi, and he gave me a seder, or a siddur, rather. And he didn't tell me how to use it. I would just look at the prayers that resonated with me, and it just started changing my life, and I started seeing things and feeling things that I'd never experienced before. And then when I found out I was healthy, I completely rebelled against it all, and just went completely crazy. And then I told you the other part of the story. When I was in New York and I was getting into trouble again, I went back to Judaism. That's pretty much been my experience.
Well, I was raised in a very, I would say, secular Jewish household. We were taught culturally that we were Jewish. I did attend, Saturday school. Eventually had my bar mitzvah. But I really didn't understand the stories. I didn't understand Judaism. I didn't understand the characters, but the names resonated with me. And then I guess in my late teens, I started hanging out with a lot of Rastafarians. And I would hear these same stories about the Hebrew Israelite constantly. And I would hear Bob Marley sing about the Israelite. I would hear Peter Tosh sing about the Israelite. And I was making these connections. Well, I've heard about the Israelites when I was a youth. I'm hearing about them again. So I started exploring Rasta. And I started growing in different ways and even exploring other religions to find out where I felt most comfortable. And eventually I came around full circle to Judaism and understanding that culturally I was born as a Jew. I understand my alignment with Judaism as being from the house of Judah or the tribe of Judah. Whether I can go directly to my lineage all the way back to the first Jew, or I was ingraded or grafted in Europe somewhere, I know that if I've accepted the commandments and to walk in the commandments as the promise of the covenant says, I am an Israelite or of the house of Judah. So religious
things, we're talking about a situation of extreme oppression. So that's the Jewish experience in America, right off the top. Is there systematic racism in America? Oh yeah, and it manifests itself many more places than hip hop. That's why we were talking before about talking about whether or not your company would sponsor hip hop, would sponsor Tupac, and talking about the sales increases that came off of
and knowing that there is racism in the world, there's racism in all the religions, and racism is based on white versus or light versus dark. The lighter you are, the more privileged you are, the darker you are, the less you are. Considering that, there's a statement that says all that is necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. Considering that, in this time, when you got folks that are saying stop snitching, but yet you got other folks that are saying stop, you can't not snitch because people are dying. Is there a responsibility on the side of Jews that are in hip-hop that know better, that are on the inside, to address the Jews that are in hip-hop that are not doing right? And there's one other quote that says, you shouldn't judge a religion by the people, you should judge the people by the religion. So that being said, is there a responsibility on behalf of those that are Jewish, that are in hip-hop, that when you know that there are those who are not right, that you say, hey, that's not right what they're doing, and it's not right based on what we say we believe in?
Wow, that was a heavy question. Wow, okay. All right. Let's start off with a baseline foundation statement. Jews aren't white. Let's start off with that as a foundation, as an axiom. The Jewish experience does not you would say in Yiddish the word stim. It doesn't jibe with the American white experience. The American white experience is the experience of a group of people in power. The American white experience is the experience of a group of people in privilege. The Jewish experience is not that experience. The Jewish experience is a group of people who, if you read the book How the Jews Became White, it's a group of people who just happened to be coming from Europe. They were coming with the same experience. I say the Jewish history and black history are so closely similar. They were coming with, they had just been killed by the millions. We're talking about a situation of extreme oppression. So that's the Jewish experience in America, right off the top. Is there systematic racism in America? Oh yeah, and it manifests itself many more places than hip-hop. That's why when you were talking before about, talking about whether or not your company would sponsor hip-hop, would sponsor Tupac, and talking about the sales increases that came off of, Gin and Juice by Snoop Dogg, all of this is happening within the context of systematic racism in advertising. All of this is happening within the context of systematic marketing racism. So, people say, there's a Yiddish expression, the horse thief also had children. When we look back on history, we like to think of the people back in the day as being a lot more noble than they actually were, and a lot of the decisions being based on more noble, principles than they actually were. But, I just can't see racism not playing itself, not playing into early 90s marketing decisions. Do I think that there's a responsibility on behalf of Jews in hip-hop? Not necessarily. Do I believe that there's a responsibility on behalf of the media in general to stop propagating the ideas that are putting adolescents in their graves before they're 13? Yes. That is a general, overreaching responsibility that media has. Hip-hop is only the beginning of it. It goes into video.
Job, he gets the medal. I don't know. That's really well. I This is my last reason. What my life is a princess. This is my last reason. What my life is a princess. This is my last
Don't just say labels that make you happy. Good, bad, you're not too happy, it's like this. I suppose it has something to do with the fact that today's the 20th anniversary of my dream. That's what it
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know where. So while you fill the streets, there's a building to see. You won't get undercutting cause you're dead and free. You got a new horizon, it's ephemeral style. Melancholy town where we never smile. And all I wanna hear is the message beat. My dreams, they gotta kiss me cause I don't get sleep, no. Windmill further down, I'm forever hanging and take it all lit on your stride. It is taking rolling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill further landing, everybody in.
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass cracks. Ladies, ponies at the track, smart chocolate at a time. She don't stepping in harder this year, yeah, bear ripping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate, ha 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 ha. We gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust and fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink, so don't stop, get it, until you get it. And watch the way I navigate. Spit, I'm feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, get away. Feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, get away, get away. Feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, get away, get away. Let's go! I'm feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, get away, get away. Every day, day. You wanna pop me? Just know that you will never find me. And I know that I can be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he doing, just take him out and make it. Feeling real good too. What up, Uncle Face? Yeah. I'm a bull in this industry, man. Some would rather run down and get one cow. Nah, I think I'd rather walk down and get them all. You know what I'm talking about, right? Look.
All with straight shots and then pop bottles. Yeah. Flirt with the hood rats, then pop models. Caught with straight shots and then pop bottles. Yeah. Flirt with the hood rats, then pop models.
I'm the fucking best. 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 I'm the fucking best.
Warning, 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 warning.
East New York. Turn your radios up. 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 You are now allowed to listen to the radio. Real niggas are back on the radio. And the road to and quit smoking on your neighbors. It's all
so fast, but being broke with no food is just a thing of the past. Plus I'm the new phenomenon, like white women with ass. Y'all praying that I'm blocked. Blow it out.
Give me that, why you ready? Give me them Jordans. Sonny said a jet. Mommy was a that. Sonny said a gun got scared in your back. Let's handle it out.
I had a dream I could find my way to heaven. When I woke, I slipped that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. The whole much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. Feel the pressure. This is stolen hearted. If I talk about it, cause I'll be writing about it. Cause that is just straight, one laugh and one shepherd. My face turns purple, and demons in the circle. Hold my breath, then I left out the wrong kind of murder. From the east, the light shine. mind. Uncook the West, a test for the gods. Protect the web and crack. Universal serenity, knocking out the enemy. If anyone makes it, and that's the way it's meant to be. Fighter, the time's up a fighter, cause I'll survive fights and
some like Pac-Man, same name, but the game is you put it in a second. Run it to the next board. Get that done a quick way to get right by the door. There's no board, no points. And in this game, this is all Pac-Man wants. The game, the paper always bloom, and you slip up in the smoke, yeah.
Y'all didn't think. Get busy, y'all. Busy, y'all. Get busy, y'all. Busy, y'all.
Yeah, word up, word to mother. Here comes G-Rap with another one, y'all. We gonna swing this like this. Yeah, word up, word to mother. Here comes G-Rap with another one, y'all. We gonna swing this like this. I'm right in front of my footsteps, thinking of a plan, looking like Raggedy Ann or going down, kicking a can, thinking of a book to pull some. Cool.
Let's show them how down we are.
We're going about the middle, you understand? That's about it. I've got the best story ever. So that is great. Let's break it down. 3, 2, go. No one does Hollywood like Access Hollywood. Take it or leave it. I'm a psycho. Great to see what a success your therapy was.
Alright, I did 6 sprints with shadow boxing with my gloves. Yeah, what else, man? My gloves over there. And these earpieces keep coming out my ears, so I need them iSports. Also, 3000 is still at it. She needs them too. That's it. Monster, we need you.
I am a good, innocent and true, righteous, but look into my eye and see vast perturbance. I am surrounded by transgression, profanity, wickedness, inebriation, perverts, and deviants. My friend Comfrey is a thief. I am a goat, resplendent and mesmerizing, magnificent and noble, but incarcerated for a mere protestation. My brother Michael has eaten of the forbidden tree, illegal and nefarious. Iniquity and evil doing will plague him, but redemption accompanies my final proclamation. For what I want to tell you is something secret, something marvelous.
Week of the Goat.
Come and say one thing and see if you understand. One thing and see if you understand. One make them a job.
I like Nicki Minaj. I just feel like, where's everybody else at? And why are the labels not putting money behind them? Why is my question. What's the problem? You know what I mean? Because that's what the industry is missing, the female MC. So I don't understand what the problem is. Like, Eve got lyrics, Trina got lyrics. I haven't heard Kim in a minute, but Kim is Kim. Kim got lyrics. I don't know if Foxy's still doing a thing, but I heard she got some mixtapes out. Like, where is everybody? MC Lyte definitely still doing her thing, but right now, because the industry's so messed up, she's doing like radio, and she's a president of some company now, but I just think that's missing, that female MCs are missing. And I love when Nicki Minaj is doing this. It's almost like she opening doors for us again, and I appreciate that. It ain't enough female MCs for us to hate on each other. I hate that. Like, don't do that. Because the few we got, you're going to eliminate them. And then we're going to be back to square one. So I applaud Nicki Minaj. You know, I want to do some work with her. And we'll bring in whoever else we can bring in. And Eve working on her album. And, you know, and some new ones that's coming out. I'm going to try to help them out. You know, we got to help each other. It's a male-dominant, you know, field. So we got to do our thing together. I like Nicki Minaj. I just feel like, where's everybody else at? And why are the labels not putting money behind them? Why is my question. What's the problem? That's what the industry is missing. The female MC. I don't understand what the problem is. Like, Eve got lyrics.
Well, I'm a king, baby.
I haven't heard Kim in a minute. Kim got lyrics. I don't know if Foxy's still doing a thing, but I heard she got some mixtapes out. Like, where is everybody? Well, I can buzz better be right now, because the industry's so messed up. She's doing like radio, and she's a president of some company now, but I just think that's missing, that female MCs are missing. And I love when Nicki Minaj is doing it. It's almost like she opening doors for us again, and I appreciate that. It ain't enough female MCs for us to hate on each other. I hate that. Like, don't do that. Because the few we got, you're going to eliminate them. And then we're going to be back to square one. So I applaud Nicki Minaj. Coming out and try to help them out. We try to help each other. So now back to, you know, fresh. We do our thing together.
We get
it along, no feelings involved. The villain evolved, I still told them. Thug pimp, the pistol evolved to issues of solved. Official to mob, I know. Well, I can buzz, got a villain, the villain, the killer that's in me. Locking and popping the city till it's empty. Grown men wishing they could have been me. Got a well, I can buzz, well, I can buzz, well, I can buzz, got a villain. It costs loss and like it really was cool. Get it, you consider the fool. I'm silly with tools. I take what you got, split it with crews, spin it with soul. Lap dances across the hall, and I slap trying to cross the ball. Having the right to fraud, they got me buying and trying to black and hard. Protect this all well, I'm king, it's the tip all night long. Crack the man. Well, I can buzz that a bitch. Well, man is gone. You can't tell me nothing about this cold. Can't tell me nothing about this crap. Act is really my hustler, nigga. Can buzz all night long. Well, I'm a gang bee. Can buzz all night long. I ain't forget you, niggas. Well, I can buzz that a thing. When gone, man is gone. I'm a king bee, can buzz all night long.
Club rock, wheel tracks, I'ma ride it out to the beat,
Even when it's painful, even when it's painful, never let it break, never let it break you. Even when it's painful, even when it's painful, never let it break, never let my
Kicking in the crates, 9-9. Dawn calling, bomb harder. Still digging y'all. Yeah.
My darling baby, you're my darling love. You're my darling baby. I said you're everything I want in a woman, and as long as I may live.
Yo, I ain't a player, I just fucking lie. Jump on top of my dick and work them hips until I bust a shot. It doesn't stop, I'm only beginning. I'm boning your women while you home all alone. Blowing up in them, sending them back to you mad at you. Don't got your motherfucking attitude, I'm just showing you how this rapper do. Capital punishment when I'm up in it, tucking it, busting it out. Nice blouse, let me unbutton it. You fucking with King, Papi Chulo, but nothing cooler. Pop your movers out the socket, trying to rock with the sumo. You know my rise is high, word I be killing. The bitches be trying to ride, but the curve be killing them. Filling them with the gas, my G's bring me an on, let it come, get it. First make the time, then let the gun hit it. Spin it in half, wash the gas. Baby, take it fast, be good, I might put away the wood and give you the mustache. I ain't a player, I just fucking lie. I'm not a player, I just fucking lie. Just fucking lie, just fucking lie.
EBS straight face, you remember?
Doing it well, that's what he was doing, and doing it swell. It felt so great, and it was so good. He rocked my body like a real man should. He had me in a trance, you know I was loving it. Felt so good, the way he was rubbing it, kissing my lips and sucking my neck. He had me, so him I had to wreck. I got busy and downright freaky. Our bodies just sweating, let's don't forget leaky. Up and down, down, up and around. He dropped front, but I heard a sound. His heavy breathing, giving me the chills. He was being satisfied and he was loving the thrills. I was feeling sexy and a lot of passion. He said, yo, it's cool making love in this fashion. You're a wild thing.
Put a spell on you. Well, I just because you're mine.
I know we think changes, but sometimes it takes changes to build a strong love, and strong love can't be broken. I have strong love for you, David. But if what you're saying is what you feel, then you can have your way. And I won't go any place our paths might cross. But just remember, you come to say you wanna ride.
She killed me, mom, when I'm in need. She killed me, mom, when I'm in need. Yeah, she's a kind of friend indeed. I got a woman way over town that's good to me.
in El Segundo. Left my wallet in El Segundo. Left my wallet in El Segundo. I gotta get it, got to get it. I left my wallet in El Segundo. Left my wallet in El Segundo.
Yes. I'll arrive at the club at the strike of 12. Yell like a little fool to the turn off the bell. After the drink, I take you to the bed while you strip your love letters with emotional lead. I'll be, or you want me to be whole action. I wanna sleep and play the role so